So today morning I was trying to put my charge and phone in our car, but unfortunately I didn't get any supply. So as you can see, I tried to insert my charger plug and it didn't get any supply. If it gets supplies, it will turn blue. It didn't happen. So to double confirm, I have tried with another socket as well, and still it didn't work. In this case, there could be two cases. Either the socket itself would have gone, otherwise fuse should have gone. So let's check from the least option. So the easiest way is to check the fuse, and in our car the fuse is located next to the battery. Just remove this box, and before that check your user manual to understand where the cigarette lighter's fuse resides in, and in our car it's in the sixth place in the top row, as you can see this one. So it's a 20 amp slotted fuse. Slotted fuse is used in only in few cars, and Ford is one among them. So ensure you buy the same kind of slotted fuse with 20 amps as mentioned at the top of the fuse. I managed to get this fuse in a local shop and it costed around 70 rupees. So this is my new fuse that I had bought. As you can see, here is my old fuse. And to place this, it's a very simple process. As mentioned, we have to place it in the 6th position at the top row. Double verify once before you place. Ensure that you are placing it in the right location. That's very important. Placing it is very simple. Just keep it in that position and push it down. That's it, we are done. So let's verify once if the socket works. If everything works, then we'll close the fuse box. And there we go. So let me insert the charger plug. Yes, it works. As you can see, the blue light turns up. And to double verify, I will insert this socket as well. Yes, it works. There is some loose contact, but still it works. So whenever you diagnose some problem, go from the least process so that you can fix it early.